My name is Monty Spiller. I'm the resident services leader here at Meadowlark Hills Retirement Community.
I'm Jamie Minton. I'm one of our directors here at Meadowlark. It was no easy task to switch everyone from our previous provider to WTC. It included over 200 individual units plus several other areas.
Prior to the process of switching over from my previous provider to WTC, if I would be lying if I say there wasn't a little bit of jitters. We had a timeline set, and WTC as a whole came in, took care of everything. We actually finished ahead of schedule.
It went as smooth as could possibly go. Just overall a really easy process that moved a lot faster than we initially anticipated it would. We have had such amazing customer service. They're a call away if we need anything, and have just really enjoyed working with their team.
I can reach out via text, email, or by phone, and I have yet to not have anybody get back to me in a timely fashion.
Our internet usage, it's been very smooth, very consistent, and overall residents have really enjoyed having reliable internet.